And let me make it clear, I will oppose that warrant with everything I have. Foremost, the administration has said time and time again through the president himself that the ICC has no jurisdiction in the Philippines. Therefore, any warrant of arrest by the ICC cannot be enforced in this country for lack of jurisdiction. It is nothing, that warrant from the ICC, but a mere scrap of paper. Walang bale yun. In addition, there's no basis for the Philippine government to cooperate with the Interpol in enforcing an ICC warrant. The mere fact that a void warrant is transmitted through Interpol does not make it less void, does not make it valid. At ikatlo, as the hearings have established, the circumstances surrounding the investigations of the ICC in this country, the incidents leading to the issuance of these ICC warrants, and the enforcement of such warrants are politically motivated and really are in violation of Article 3 of the Constitution of the Interpol itself, which prohibits the Interpol from participating in any intervention or activity of a political character.
Ma'am, sabi niyo, you will do everything para harangin sakaling magkaroon na rin ng arrest warrant laban kay BP Sara. Ano ba mga action ang gagawin niyo? Wala
tayong balak na isuko ang soberanya ng Pilipinas at ibaliwala ang ating husgado.
So hindi baka maireklamo kayo ng obstruction of justice just in case?
Hindi ko po alam.
So ano mga action ang gagawin niyo, ma'am, para harangin sakali?
Iniisip pa kung anong kailangan gawin dahil tulad nga ng sinabi ko, haka-haka pa lamang ito. Ngunit sa nakita natin sa mga nakaraang 2 taon, itong mga haka-haka, duda, suspecha, madalas nagiging totoo.